Hello and welcome to The Explainer. Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about family SUVs out there, the completely redesigned 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to ask you something. Just think about it for a second. What if your car could be all these things at once? A guardian angel watching your back, a personal oasis from the daily grind, and a perfect reflection of who you are. Well, that's exactly what the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe is designed to be. Sounds like a tall order, right? So the question is, how does it actually pull it off? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about that guardian angel part. We're going to look at some new angles on safety and really how the Santa Fe is built to be your co-pilot on the road. The secret sauce behind all of this is a system called Hyundai SmartSense. Now, this isn't just one thing. Think of it as a whole network. It's an integrated system of cameras, radar, and sensors that create this 360-degree bubble of awareness around the car, all working together to help keep you protected. So what does that look like in the real world? Okay, let's take a fear we've all had. There's a car lurking in your blind spot right when you need to change lanes. The Santa Fe has a blind spot collision warning, of course, but the real game changer is the available blind spot view monitor. The second you hit your turn signal, a live video feed from that side pops up right in your instrument cluster. It is an incredible confidence booster. No more guessing. And here's another one, we can all relate to this. You're trying to back out of a parking spot in a busy lot with cars and people zipping by. The rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist doesn't just warn you. If it thinks a collision is about to happen, it can actually hit the brakes for you. That's not just a warning, that's the car actively stepping in to help. And, for those long highway stretches, highway driving assist is a lifesaver, literally. It really does act like a co-pilot. It helps reduce that fatigue by keeping you centered in your lane and maintaining a safe speed and distance from the car up ahead. It just makes those long drives so much less stressful. So the Santa Fe has definitely got your back when it comes to safety. But what about the experience inside? Let's shift gears to our second theme and see how this SUV becomes your own everyday oasis, whether you're on the daily commute or heading out for a weekend escape. And Hyundai is not kidding around when they talk about creating a sanctuary. I mean, we're talking available quilted Napa leather seats, a driver's seat with a relaxation function for when you're parked, a crisp 12-speaker Bose sound system. They've even put in this super clever bi-directional center console that you can open from the front or the back. Genius for passing stuff to the kids, right? That whole oasis feeling is also about making your life easier. With the available Digital Key 2 Premium, your smartphone literally becomes your car key. You can lock, unlock, and even start the car without ever digging a fob out of your pocket or purse. It just works. And this is a huge deal for anyone thinking about long-term ownership. Hyundai's connected car service, BlueLink Plus, now comes with no subscription fees. No trial periods for the original owner. That means things like remote start, checking your car's health, and getting emergency help are just there for you. No worries. Okay, so we've got the guardian angel and the personal oasis covered. The last piece of the puzzle is making the Santa Fe a true reflection of you. So let's look at how you can actually tailor this thing to fit your life perfectly. So which Santa Fe are you? If you're the everyday achiever, always on the go, the SEL trim gives you amazing features like the digital key at a really great value. If you're more of a weekend adventurer, the tough XRT is probably your speed, with its higher ground clearance and all-terrain tires. And, well, if you're the luxury seeker, the Calligraphy trim is the whole shebang. Napa leather, that awesome relaxation seat, all of it. And that choice also comes down to what's under the hood. You can go for pure power with the 2.5-liter turbo engine. It's pushing out a really beefy 277 horsepower. Or you can lean into efficiency with the 1.6-liter turbo hybrid. You still get a very respectable 231 combined horsepower, but you'll be maximizing your miles per gallon. It's all about what's more important to you. But here's the thing. No matter which Santa Fe you end up choosing, that whole guardian angel role, it doesn't stop with the tech. It actually extends to the entire ownership experience itself, all backed by what Hyundai calls its promise. And at the core of that promise is something pretty incredible: America's best warranty. The powertrain limited warranty covers you for a full 10 years, or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. That kind of backing is a huge statement about the quality they believe is built into the car. It gives you some serious peace of mind for the long haul.
And that brings us to the end, and to a philosophy that really reframes everything. Hyundai says, hope is our greatest feature, and it comes standard on every Hyundai. And they can say that because a portion of every single vehicle they sell goes to Hyundai Hope on Wheels to help fund pediatric cancer research. So when you choose a Santa Fe, you're not just getting a guardian angel for your family, you're actually contributing to something much, much bigger. And that's a feature you're not going to find on any spec sheet.